Welcome back to AutoMatrix. Today, you're not looking at a motorhome. You're looking at a $6 million rolling palace built to dominate highways, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. This is the 2026 Scania TITAN 12 double-decker. A 12-wheel luxury fortress that blends extreme engineering with 5-star living. And yes, all 12 wheels are powered. Let's begin. At first glance, the Titan doesn't resemble any traditional RV. It stands tall, bold, and unapologetically massive. Built on a reinforced heavy-duty platform, this double-decker machine stretches nearly 45 feet long and towers above standard motorhomes like a skyscraper on wheels. The front fascia carries a redesigned aggressive grille inspired by Scania's TITAN's most powerful heavy-haul trucks. Sharp LED matrix headlights pierce forward with a futuristic glow. Chrome accents meet aerodynamic body sculpting, creating a perfect balance between brute force and executive elegance. But the real statement is underneath. 6 axles, 12 massive all-terrain tires, a true 12 drivetrain system that sends power to every single wheel. This is not marketing exaggeration. Each of the 12 wheels receives torque through a sophisticated distribution system designed for maximum grip and stability. Whether crossing deep desert dunes, climbing rocky slopes, or pushing through snow and mud, the Titan maintains traction like no other motorhome on Earth. This isn't just mobility, it's dominance. Powering this mechanical giant is a heavily tuned turbo diesel engine producing over 1,200 horsepower and monstrous torque figures designed for heavy expedition loads. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and intelligent terrain response system, the Titan adjusts power delivery instantly depending on surface conditions. Adaptive hydraulic suspension keeps the double-decker body stable even on uneven ground. Independent axle articulation allows all 12 wheels to maintain surface contact, ensuring smooth progress where ordinary vehicles would fail. Despite its size, driving the Titan feels surprisingly controlled. The digital cockpit surrounds the driver with panoramic displays, camera feeds from all angles, navigation overlays, terrain monitoring systems, and intelligent driver assistance technology. It feels less like driving a motorhome and more like commanding a luxury command center. Now, let's step inside. As the automatic entry steps extend and the door opens, the atmosphere shifts completely, from military-grade exterior to ultra-luxury interior. The lower deck welcomes you with a wide, open living space finished in premium materials. Soft, ambient LED lighting flows along the ceiling panels. Marble-inspired flooring stretches across the lounge area. Full panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light. A plush leather seating arrangement wraps around a central entertainment hub, featuring an 85-inch ultra-high-definition display system. Surround sound speakers are seamlessly integrated into the walls. Smart glass panels allow you to switch from transparent to privacy mode instantly. This is not camping. This is a penthouse on wheels. Moving toward the kitchen, the Titan showcases a chef-grade culinary setup. Solid stone countertops meet custom cabinetry with soft close systems. Smart induction cooktops, built-in convection, ovens, premium refrigerator units, and hidden storage compartments make long-distance living effortless. Every surface is designed with durability and elegance in mind. Even while parked in the middle of nowhere, the Titan offers a kitchen experience rivaling luxury apartments. Now, let's head upstairs. The double-decker layout is where this machine separates itself from everything else in the market. Ascending the illuminated staircase, you enter a private executive lounge space. Panoramic windows provide elevated views, whether you're parked oceanside, in the mountains, or deep in the desert. Luxury reclining seats face a secondary entertainment wall. A built-in workstation allows remote work connectivity powered by satellite internet systems. Climate zones ensure personalized temperature control on both decks. Toward the rear of the upper level lies the master suite. And this is where the Titan truly becomes a rolling palace. A king-size bed sits centered beneath a softly lit ceiling, panel designed to mimic ambient skylight. High-end fabrics, premium stitching, and sound-insulated walls create a calm and quiet environment, even in harsh outdoor conditions. Hidden storage compartments surround the suite, maximizing space without sacrificing aesthetics. Large side windows allow you to wake up to panoramic scenery anywhere in the world. Connected to the suite is a spa-inspired luxury bathroom. Step inside and you'll find marble finish walls, a full glass shower enclosure with rainfall system, modern vanity sinks with LED mirror lighting, and high-end fixtures designed for long-term durability. Heated flooring ensures comfort in cold climates. Advanced water filtration and storage systems allow extended off-grid living without compromise. This is not just a bathroom, it's a mobile wellness suite. Beyond luxury, the Titan is engineered for independence. Massive onboard battery banks paired with rooftop solar arrays provide sustainable energy storage. Advanced water tanks and purification systems support long expeditions. Climate systems maintain comfort in extreme heat or freezing conditions. Security is also a priority. A full 360-degree surveillance camera network monitors the surroundings. Reinforced body construction enhances durability. Smart locking systems and remote monitoring ensure peace of mind wherever you park. Now, imagine this. You're parked at the edge of a desert at sunset. All 12 wheels grounded firmly in the sand. The double-decker silhouette casting a long shadow across the dunes. Inside, soft lighting glows across marble floors. Upstairs, you're enjoying panoramic views from your private lounge. This is the freedom the Titan delivers. It's not built for crowded campgrounds. It's built for those who demand space, power, prestige, and total independence. From engineering to luxury craftsmanship, the 2026 Scania TITAN 12-PV12 double-decker represents the peak of expedition motorhome innovation. 12 wheels, 6 axles, a true 12-12 drivetrain, double-decker living, and a $6 million price tag that reflects its exclusivity. This is not for everyone. This is for visionaries, for explorers who refuse limits, for those who don't just travel the world, they command it. This has been AutoMatrix. If you crave power, luxury, and machines that redefine reality, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Because here, we don't just review vehicles, we reveal legends.